Alright guys, Paracord enthusiasts, welcome back to another video. Today's topic is the snake knot paracord. Well, you use it as a bracelet, but the design, overall designs don't look like this. Go up close so you can see it. I'm using the blue diamond, whatever the heck it's called. I got it from board paracord on Amazon. And then purple. Obviously, I got some other colors you can see up back here that I'm using too. The pink, red, white, and the light purple. The only thing I gotta grab is keyring, which I'm grabbing that right now. I have to grab that. Alright, got a keyring. I had to throw it on there kind of quick because I kind of got some keyring stuff in an old shoebox. So what I'm using for paracord now is, because I'm using for the one that I just showed you, is the same design, but it's dark blue instead of that like blue and silver. It's just blue and black, that diamond design, whatever the heck it is. Ordered it in 100 feet, so I split it down into 4 25-foot sections. Kept other sections for other uses. So then the section I had here, I cut down to 12.5 to drop down to 6.25 feet. I think it's about yeah, 12.5. It's half of 25, so this is probably about 6.25. So no, this whole thing is probably close to 6.5 feet. So then what I did is I'm using this tie-dye with this dark blue piece. What I had already went and done was got it started, melted 2 ends together. Then I like to, for just safety reasons, so it doesn't split apart again. Okay. For safety reasons, I use a little bit of heat shrink too. So then what I'll do is take my lighter. We call it a barbecue lighter, but it's the longer lighters are for, me and my family basically use them for lighting candles. I got a little butane torch too, but that gets a little too hot for most cases. So now, if you're wondering, the fan that's running behind me is my PlayStation that's running. So now with the keyring, run it through. So now you know where the heat shrink is your middle. So then what you do is put the heat shrink through the keyring, like how I got it. And you go run the 2 ends through. I'll move the and I'll put the heat shrink towards the keyring, because I use these as, when I make them, I use them as the get back or motorcycle whips, whatever you want to call them. Just gonna take a drink here. No, that's not alcohol. It's the sparkling ice, the ice sparkling water. So then put that here so it's out of the way then. So now I got the start here. So what you want to do, board paracord's got the same one, so it's called the snake bite or the snake bracelet, because it's, I forget the complete name of it. I apologize. It's something snake related. So then what you want to do is take, in my case, the blue piece, which is going to be on, and here it's, I had trouble starting the other ones, so like this, so take the blue one, which is going to be on your right. It's going to be on the left when you actually do it in person. Wrap it around the tie-dye, and take your, you know where it's yellow here, wrap it like that. So it's over and then goes around behind. And then take the right piece and pull it through the loop that you did with the left color. Pull it through. Like I said, you want to cut it down to the size or the lengths that you want, because then it'll just make it a lot easier, and it's going to be to the set roughly around the size you want. So then you're just going to repeat. Go here, here, and then again around and through. Pull it through, tighten up. Sometimes because I'm using, with this one, I'm using two thicker, a little stiffer pieces, so sometimes it may be a little easier to kind of try to snug them up a little bit. So then you keep going. Like I said, it's a repeating process, so then you're eventually going to have it look kind of like this then, and it's going to go all the way down. I'm going to use it as a whip, and then when the time comes when I can, I'm going to order some bigger heat shrink and heat shrink the ends, because if you guys watched the video where I had to retape the ends on the last set of one of the sets of whips I have, that's why I heat shrunk everything. So yeah, that's a new design. Like I said, if you guys want to learn it and have it explained a little bit better, go to board Paracord and look for the snake bite, or it's like the snake bracelet or whatever. So I'll see you guys in the next video.